a tale that'll make you squeal about a man named Steven and his two damn wheels. Started with a dream and a 60-volt brain. Now he's riding high on the power chain. He built them bikes with a twisted smile, crushing competition country style. They said he's crazy, said he'd never last, but that son of a gun just built them fast. When you see him coming, better clear the way, 'cause the predators out here stalk and prey. Wired a bikes ain't your normal ride. Hell no, this shit's electrified. Fear the predator, he's on the hunt. Fear the predator, watch him stunt. Fear the predator, ain't no doubt. The king of volts is what it's all about. 60 volts was just the start. Then Steven went and got real smart. Said to hell with standard, let's raise the game. 72 volts brought him worldwide fame. Engineer and genius, mad as hell. Built an empire, y'all can tell. Competitors cry and it ain't fair, but the predator just doesn't care. When you hear that motor start to whine, better know you're about to fall behind. The hunt is on, there ain't no rest, 'cause Steven's bikes are all the best. Fear the predator, he's on the hunt. Fear the predator, watch him stunt. Fear the predator, ain't no doubt. The king of volts is what it's all about. From humble beginnings to top of the chain, the predator's power cannot be contained. 72 volts of pure fucking might, leaving others in electrical fright. Now Wired bikes rules this land, every bike crafted by Steven's hand. They tried to copy, but they just can't see. The predator's got that special pedigree, evolution at its finest form, creating standards, breaking norms. So raise your voltage, raise it high, 'cause the predator's time is never gonna die. Fear the predator, he's on the hunt. Fear the predator, watch him stunt. Fear the predator, ain't no doubt. The king of volts is what it's all about.